I am Sanjay Sharma, your computer teacher. Today we will discuss about using the autofill and flash fill feature. Okay. Now, what is autofill? Excel provides two wonderful features, autofill and the flash fill, to enter data quickly in a worksheet instead of entering the manually. First of all, we are going to discuss about the autofill. What is autofill? Autofill is the easiest method to fill the data automatically in a worksheet. Means that we can say that it is a way to fulfill the data in the worksheet automatically. For example, that's if you want to fill the data in column B1, then first of all you have to type the January month. If you want to fill the data January, February, March, April, May, then write in the B1 cell January. After that, when we type the January and place the cell pointer corner side of your January, and it will change into the plus symbol, means cross symbol. Okay, and after cross symbol, press the left mouse button and drag the handle cell up to the whatever you want to, up to the 12. Okay, means that down. Okay, when we pressing the mouse button key and press down the January, after February, March, April, May, June, July, in this way the data will fill automatically in the cell. This is the way how we can fill the data. Okay, now we are going to discuss about how we can fill the data automatically. Week name means, suppose that if you want to take any cell and write there the Monday, and writing the Monday, now we can just press the left mouse button and drag it down slowly, and one by one cell will fill with the month week name. For example, that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and again if we drag there, it will be repeat the same week name. Okay, this is the way how we can fill the data. Now next topic is that flash fill. What is flash fill? Flash fill introduced in the MS Excel 2013 is a time saving feature which identifies the data fill pattern that you use frequently in the worksheet and then fill the remaining series accordingly. Let us try it practically. Okay, means that whatever you want, put the data in a Excel sheet, it will be stored and that data can be filled automatically. That's called the flash fill. Means that suppose that if the name is already written in your Excel sheet, then it is flash over there, or same name if you want to read, enter in the cell, that name will be display again. Okay, make a two columns, names and the initial in the Excel sheet. Fill the data in the names column given in the that's okay, and initial column should have the data in the combination of the first characters of the first and last name. Example, RK for Ravi Kumar. Okay, now type the RK in the initial column and press enter, and click on the fill drop and arrow present on the home tab in the editing group and select the flash fill option. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl+E. Okay, now initial of the rest of the entire will be automatically added in the remaining cell of the initial column. Okay, now see here how this is work is done here. Okay, means flash name. Okay, if you write the shortcut name Ravi Kumar RK and Suresh Kumar SS, then others names will be fill automatically. That's called the using the flash fill. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the questions answer, that is the filling the blanks, true false. These all will be given we will later. Okay, and this is your end of your chapter. Okay, thank you.